Hey YouTube, this here, what you see is a commercial bicycle city parking stand, I guess you could call it. You see them in downtowns, on sidewalks, around schools, playgrounds, churches, etc. This particular one, I'm doing two different styles. You'll see the double ring style on with the blue bike here, and you put a bike on each side, and you can tie a U-lock it, or use your cable to tie it to the hoops. They have a 10-inch pad on the bottom that you have to use concrete anchors, and I supply all of those. Over here is a teardrop shaped one. It's for single bikes. It's got another little tie-down hoop in the middle. These are typically used, a school would put up a line of these, and they do have quantity discounts on these racks. The posts are 2 by 2 by 11 gauge tubing. The round hoops are 2 by 1/4 inch thick flat strap, and it's all 3/16 stainless steel. There's no rust, no maintenance, no painting, no nothing. They just look like this indefinitely, and they all have a lifetime warranty. If you're interested in these, you can look at the bottom of this video and get my address. I don't feel you'll find anybody that compete with my small shop prices on this style of a commercial bicycle rack, so I hope you'll look if this is something you're interested in. Thank you.